Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the insert now. This gives direct access and prevents fuel spills. Once the felt pad is lifted, use tweezers to pull back cotton until the wick end shows. Make sure to keep cotton orderly so you can reinsert it without gaps. At this stage, you should have pliers and a replacement wick within reach. Doing this prevents interruptions. You're working to maintain capillary action, so expose just enough wick to move it. Too much will waste fuel and change burn behavior. Now feed the new wick through the chimney hole carefully, because even tension matters for a steady flame. Once it catches, pull from the bottom with pliers until about 1/8 to 3/16 inches is exposed. This height balances flame size and wick life. Reposition the cotton tightly around the wick to restore the fuel path. Loose packing causes sputtering, too tight chokes flow. Make sure the wick runs straight. A skewed wick burns unevenly and can blacken the chimney quickly. Finish by trimming the wick so it's even with the chimney. Neat edges give a clean spark and steady light. Reassemble the felt pad, refill with lighter fluid, and wait roughly 1 minute for saturation. This ensures immediate ignition. Test strike gently. If the flame is weak or sputters, first reposition the wick slightly or repack the cotton for better fuel flow. If problems persist, check the flint and wheel. Insufficient spark can mimic wick issues. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.